Well, a couple days ago, 3 days ago to be exact, Sunday afternoon, we loaded in a package of bees, a 3-pound package, about 10,000 bees, and now we are to check 3 days later to see whether or not, oh, look at that, up the top, wonderful. And we're going to check that little package right in there to see if the queen has gotten out. If she hasn't, we got problems. If she is, we are happy. I hate to have to bother these bees because it's very chilly out right now, but we're just going to reach in here very carefully, move these guys out of the way, and hopefully the queen is out. No, nope. So I hope the queen's out. I'm going to slide this up, take a look inside. There's a little piece of sugar that should be gone. Uh-oh. I don't know if the queen's out yet. Okay, we're going to take a look in here. Out of the way there, guy. And let's see if the queen's gone. Yeah, the queen's... I'm afraid the queen is dead.
You think the queen's dead?
Yep, I think the queen is dead. She's just laying in there. Too cold.
You can see the queen?
Yep.
Oh.
Okay, let me just brush these bees off here. They've not eaten it out yet. Okay, we're gonna put her back down a little further. It's supposed to be within 40 hours. I'm just wondering if the queen's still alive, and that's my problem. So, folks, wait a second. I think she's still alive. She's in the back there. Okay, let's put her back down inside here, back where it's warmer. Boy, oh boy. Wait, oops, wrong way. Like this here. Oops. Okay. Boy, hope she makes it. If not, we'll be rushing out buying another queen at about $34 a piece. All right, give it another day. We'll check it again tomorrow, and unfortunately it's going to rain tomorrow, so we might give her another day. All right, we'll be back in a couple of days.